Merhabalar. Fırıncılık sektörünün en büyük fuarında sizlerle birlikte olmak, bu geniş ailenin bir parçası olmak çok ilham verici ve çok öğretici.
So yeah, the IVA is of course the place to meet people from the industry, to show new concepts, and then of course show off a little bit of the skill level of our fantastic bakers here at Fridge.
Our passion for dough drives us to develop solutions such as the latest Progressa pastry and Impressa bread lines. These lines offer quick changeover times, reduced downtime, and hygienic design, which is very important to the Multivac group.
So IVA 2025 is an exciting show. We are very glad to be here. So we do have a lot of customers coming in from us to visit us since yesterday.
Muchas gracias a todos nuestros visitantes durante IVA 2025. Ha sido un gran show y ha sido todo un placer poderlos atender aquí en nuestro stand de IVA.
This is very great show and I feel amazing when I heard customers satisfied and they receive impressive.
Geschätzte Damen, geschätzte Herren, liebe Kundinnen, vielen herzlichen Dank für Ihren Besuch hier an der IVA 2025. Ganz tolle Atmosphäre, ein schönes Zusammenkommen. Wir haben super innovative Produkte, vereint Multivac und Fridge.